The COVID-19 pandemic has completely disrupted the academic calendar in the country, and students have been left in the lurch by the government's decision to conduct NEET and JEE exams. The exams were postponed earlier for 4 months, and the delay is now set to result in increased competition and higher cutoffs. Students have been up in arms against the decision to conduct the exams amid the raging pandemic, citing lax infrastructure and overcrowding outside exam centres. There seems to be no aid from the authorities, as the restrictions and the floods have also thrown normal life out of gear. Earlier on the 17th of August, the Supreme Court had rejected a plea seeking postponement of exams, saying that the move could put students' careers in peril. Well, we have Dr. Geeta Bhatt, academician, joining us on the broadcast this morning. Thank you, Dr. Bhatt, for speaking to CNN News 18. Your first thoughts on the fact that these exams are going to be conducted in as little as 10 days?
Well, you see, we all, I think, would agree to one point that these JEE and NEET exams, they are one of the, they are the gateway to one of the most prestigious institutions in the country, and hence there has to be, the admissions have to be done based on merit, or they have to be done on the scholarship.
Right.
Now, keeping that in mind, that means there has to be some kind of an evaluation or an examination through which the students have to be taken in. Now, whenever one has to also realize that as and when it was the government when was in a position to postpone the exams, they have already done that. Thrice it has already been done. But one thing now has to be kept in mind, that if we postpone the exams further on, then in that case it won't be possible for a new academic session, or this academic session of 2021, to be initiated from this year. That means that there will be loss of one academic year, for which the IITs, who are like, for example, I think IIT Delhi is conducting this exam this time. So they have already put it in the public forum that it won't be possible to have two classes run in the next academic session, if any further postponement of the examination takes place, we won't be able to go ahead with the academic session in this year, because even when the exam is being conducted at this particular time in the month of September, the actual classes will only be possible to begin by the end of November or in December at such a time. So also, students also have to keep one thing in mind, that is that if the academic session does not begin in 2021 and if it goes to the next academic session, then in that case, the number of students who will be appearing for the examination will double. It is expected for these two examinations, nearly 25 lakh students are appearing. That means the number will double, but the number of seats will remain the same, because there will be a loss of one academic year. So it will be disadvantageous actually for the students if the examination is not held and the academic session does not begin this year. Now, coming to the second point is that yes, of course, the scenario is such at this particular time that we are facing this pandemic, and across the world the situation is the same. And the government postponed the exams keeping this in mind. But now at such a junction, now we have to take a call that what do we want? We want loss of one academic session, or do we want, the students who have been preparing for so long? And we all know how hard.
Right, but Dr. Bhatt, is one academic session, is the academic calendar so important that we're willing to put our students through this health risk? Remember, it's not only the students, it's their families. About 25 lakh people, students, will be taking these exams at the end of the day.
Yes, you see, we have to kind of decide on that how we want to proceed further. Do we want that the students are ready, that they are ready that they might sit for the examination for the next academic year, lose one academic year, and then have the double the amount of competition for the same number of seats? Because and also the preparations which have been made for this purpose, keeping all the present situation in mind. For this, there is already a SOP which has been laid down, and it is a very, very comprehensive guidelines which have been given, where it is very categorically said that the exam has been staggered for, like for example, from both the examinations have been staggered between 1st to 13th of September, and there is already a provision. There will be no frisking or
Right.
checking of physical in terms of document. Also, there are other SOPs pre-examination, during the examination, post-examination. The students will be allowed masks, they will be allowed transparent water bottles, they will be allowed gloves. All these provisions, whatever one can think of in terms of the safety
Right,
measures,
but at the
they have
same
been
time,
taken
right,
care.
at the same time, Dr. Bhatt, in Karnataka, the SLC exams were conducted with very strict protocol as well. And soon after that, we saw a huge spike in the state, and the cases are still on the increase in the state of Karnataka.
Well, it is not just Karnataka. Even Kerala went ahead and did their university examination, and they did it in the physical format. And there are some, and other states also have done. Nearly, I think 200 universities have already conducted or are in the process of conducting the examination. We do understand that there is, whenever there will be if you move out of the house,
Right.
there is an exposure. There is that possibility of exposure, whether
Right,
you
but
are
also
even
not
going
to forget,
buy
we're
your
now
vegetables
seeing
to the market.
more
So
daily
that exposure-
spikes in cases than even countries like the US and Brazil. We're on our way now to overshoot Brazil as the second most affected country. But let's bring in a student voice as well on the broadcast. We have Shivam Kumar, who is a resident of Muzaffarpur. He's also a JEE aspirant. Shivam, tell us about what you feel as a student. Do you feel comfortable taking these examinations? Is it a relief that these examinations are happening finally? What are your thoughts?
So the main thing is, ma'am, that the examination is, according to the government, the examination is more important than the life of the student. So as we know that there are many exam conducting body like KCET, and there are many other examination conducting body that held their own exam, and the result we all know that they have promised that a student will have to be followed by the SOPs, precautions, but there is nothing like that. The latest example is that yesterday's COMED exam, and I had talked with my friend that he had appeared for that, and they told me that everything that is promised by the government, that SOP will be and precaution will be taken for the students' health, there is nothing like that. उसने क्या बोला था कि गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम कंडक्टिंग बॉडी ने क्या बोला था कि हम हर बच्चे को सैनिटाइजर प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे, हर बच्चे को मास्क प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे, बाकी पहले की बात लीव करते हैं। मैं कल की एग्जांपल का बात बता रहा हूँ, 19 अगस्त की बात बता रहा हूँ।
Okay.
क्या हुआ था कि इसमें मतलब 10 बच्चे हैं, तो उसमें 5 का करा गया था कि हाँ ठीक है, आपको मतलब थर्मल स्कैनिंग करा गया, अब 5 को ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया गया। बाकी सेंटर पे हुआ था, कहीं अच्छे हुए थे, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, मैं लखनऊ की बात कर रहा हूँ, वहां पे ऐसे हालात थे, तो इंडिया में ऑल ओवर कितने ऐसे हालात होंगे। और फिर क्या करा गया कि उनको मतलब बोला गया जिसके पास मास्क था वो मास्क पहन के था, जिसके पास नहीं था उसके पास नहीं था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, सैनिटाइजर आपके पास खुद का है तो ठीक है, वरना कोई दिक्कत नहीं। और जहां तक जेईई मेन की बात है, ये तो कुछ लाख की बात है, और जेईई मेन की बात है, वहां पे तो लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट की बात है। मुझे तो अब ये डर लग रहा है कि अगर मैं बाहर जाऊंगा तो क्या वो एसओपी जो बता रहे हैं वो सही में मेरे साथ वो मतलब जो भी प्रिकॉशन है वो बरतेंगे या फिर नहीं करेंगे हमारे साथ। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करने के लिए बोला था, कोई सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नहीं मेंटेन करा गया। 8 फीट की रोड, 10 फीट की रोड है, उसमें कितना सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कर पाएंगे वो। और एग्जाम बहुत सारे सबने एक्सपेरिमेंट करा, बाकी एग्जाम कंडक्टिंग बॉडी ने एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखा कि हम एग्जाम करेंगे और बच्चों को लाइफ को नहीं बर्बाद होने देंगे, किसी को कोरोना नहीं होगा, हम एसओपी रखेंगे, बट सब फेल हो गए। और जेईई मेन चाहती है, एनटीए चाहता है कि फिर से हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करें ताकि स्टूडेंट की लाइफ के साथ खिलवाड़ कर सके। थोड़ा 1-2 महीने अगर डिले हो जाता है तो उससे कुछ नहीं होगा। जब एम्स के डायरेक्टर, एक्स डायरेक्टर कह रहे हैं कि अगर एग्जाम होता है तो काफी ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में, कितनी मौतें होंगी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। 1-2 महीने अगर डिले होता है तो हम वो मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, हम वो मेकअप कर सकते हैं पढ़ाई के साथ साथ। अगर हमने इतना मेहनत करा है तो वो भी मेकअप कर सकते हैं। और लेकिन जो अगर हमारा लाइफ खराब हो जाता है, कोई डेथ हो जाती है, तो उसकी मेंटेन कौन करेगा, उसका भरपाई कौन देगा, गवर्नमेंट करेगी। सब कह रहे हैं कि जेईई मेन से भाग रहे हो, एग्जाम नहीं देना चाहते हो इसलिए भाग रहे हो। सर जी, जेईई मेंस देना एक सिर्फ ये एग्जाम नहीं है, हम जैसे बच्चों से पूछो, ये एक प्रेस्टीज होता है। जेईई मेन इज नॉट ओनली द एग्जाम, ये एक प्रेस्टीज है, एक तरह का मतलब अवार्ड होता है कि हम जेईई मेन में अपीयर हुए हैं। ये एक अलग ही खुशी होता है। मुझे अगर बोला जाए कि गवर्नमेंट अगर सारा कुछ करेगी तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ये है कि गवर्नमेंट ही अपने बात पे नहीं हो रही है, कुछ बोल कुछ रही है, कर कुछ रही है। अगर मुझे ये बोला प्रॉमिस करा जाए कि हाँ अगर आपको कुछ होता है तो आपके पूरे फैमिली का खर्चा उठाया जाएगा, एम्स में आपका पूरा इलाज होगा, अगर इन द सेंस अगर आपको कुछ होता है तो पूरा एसओपी रखा जाएगा, तो ठीक है मैं तो रेडी हूँ। ये तो एक प्रेस्टीज है, जेईई मेंस और नीट एक एग्जाम नहीं, प्रेस्टीज है हम लोग के लिए। ये उस बच्चों से पूछो जो एग्जाम देने के लिए अपीयर है, वो बच्चे कुछ होंगे जो सिर्फ बकवास करते हैं, उनका इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, मैं उनके बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा।
All right, Shivam, I think that you raised some very, very valid points. Shivam, going on to say that examinations cannot be more important than students' lives. But thank you, Dr. Bhatt, as well for joining us on the broadcast. Now, our political editor, Maria Shakil, spoke to V. Ram Gopal Rao from IIT Delhi about the upcoming examinations. Listen in.
The country has learned to live with corona. Factories are working, manufacturing units have opened, offices are working. Then why shouldn't exams be held on time?
Ma'am, the basic thing right now is COVID-19 along with floods, along with lockdown, is not a situation in which the exam should be conducted. My first question out there is how a child in this flood, when India is hitting flood in so many states, how will we travel?
If the Supreme Court has considered the question of exams, Prahlad, and ruled that the country has to move on, then why are you demanding that exams be postponed?
Ma'am, to address this fear, the government has rightly so brought forward various SOPs. It has put it in place. But there are several loopholes to these very SOPs. They have asked 25 lakh students to fill an undertaking. Now, ma'am, on the part of our parents, how will they trust that each and every one of those 25 lakh students is going to fill it honestly? The crowding outside the center is not even addressed. The councils of previous exams that have been conducted, they totally dispose of the very responsibility that they should own up to of the fact that there was crowding outside. They say that it is not their concern.
The fact is also that many states have gone for a lockdown. There are no public transports that are available. Then why shouldn't the government consider pushing it by a few months?
I think let me address it from the point of IITs and also the JEE advanced examination. You know, IITs by now, in fact, in the month of July, the new batch of students would have come into our campuses. Now, even the exam is not conducted. So if we conduct the exam in September, the students will come to the campus in the month of December. Any further delay would mean that they will come in January and things will get further postponed. And IITs cannot handle two batches at the same time. So I'm not opposing the students. I'm not supporting anybody. So I'm just putting the facts in front of you.
On that note, we'll slip into a quick break, but lots more when we return. Stay tuned.